Wow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning to this channel. Wherever you are watching me from, I want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time location you find yourself in, because the world we are for different times. Well, I'm here today again to give you some little tips on how to grow your channel. Yeah, I'm going to be talking on how to grow your channel. That's going to be the major topic I'm going to be talking about today, because I checked some statistics and I know that many new YouTubers are struggling to grow their channel. And that which I'm going to be talking about today, I'm going to be talking about it today. I want you to stay tuned to this channel. If you are a new viewer, you can please subscribe to this channel. You click the notification bell to get you notified when I drop a new video. I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned as I go through this basic schedule. I'm going to be telling you basic things on how to grow your YouTube channel. Number one key point to grow your YouTube channel is to be what? Punctual. When I mean punctual, it means to be regular on your YouTube page. What do I mean by being regular on your YouTube page? That is to say, always upload. Keep your account active. Number one, keep your account active. That is the only way you can grow on YouTube. Keep your account active. Don't forget to post at least every day. At least every day. Or after every 2 days, you can post. But as a new YouTuber, don't forget to keep your account active. Number one. Number two, I'm going to be telling you, create a niche. That is one of the things that have been suffering the YouTube content creators, especially when it comes to new content creators, because the old ones, they already know, they're already getting a niche. If you are a comedy content creator, create your comedies. Do not mix it up with other content. That is number one. Number two, if you are a YouTube tip maker, that is to say, to educate new YouTuber on how to grow their channel, keep on that niche. Because if you don't have a niche, YouTube will give you a niche. And when YouTube gives you a niche, any form or anywhere you form yourself, that's it. Yes, that's it. You will just be there, fluctuating like a boat over a river that doesn't know its location. So YouTube will find it hard to give your content to your consumer, that is your subscriber, people that are going to watch your channel. So I'm telling you this because I want you to be alert. I want you to be alert and know all those things. Create a niche. Find a specific content to create. Whether cooking, whether schooling, whether comedy, whether music, whether a prank, any of those things. Create a niche for them and start posting directly under those niche. And make sure to continuously post as that particular niche. Post content that will be in that niche, that will alert you to go more virus on YouTube. That is the number two. Then number three, anytime you post your video, go to the YouTube studio for advanced editing, where you can let YouTube to know your niche. You can let them to know your niche. If you don't do so, they will give you any niche they want to give you. While you create a comedy, they will give you entertainment, and they will give you entertainment, or they give you music, or they give you people and blog. And that is not your niche, because you did not select your niche. You did not let them know your niche. Go to YouTube Studio, Advanced Editing. Go there, click on your video that you want to edit. Go to the See More and select your niche. In that same section, you can also select your location. That is to say, where you are, or where you want to get audience from. Where you want to get audience from. If it is from the United States, click there, right there, United States. It will pop up United States. You click on it, it will state it. If it is United Kingdom, write it there, United Kingdom. It will pop up. United Kingdom will pop up. You save it. Then you are letting YouTube to know what you are specifically doing on YouTube. In this way, you will grow more view and get more subscriber. Keep to those rules. Do not go off those rules. If you want to grow your content as a new content creator, I'm going to tell you for sure. These are the 2 steps I've given you for now. The three is the minute your video is going to last for. If you are a comedy script writer or script or content creator, you can do a long form comedy, 23 minutes, 30 minutes, but let it be interesting. Because when it is not interesting, people will skip that particular video. Yes. Once the content is not interesting, people are not going to stay to watch it. But then, when the content is interesting, people will stay to watch. And the more they watch, the more watch hour you get. That will allow you to be qualified for the YouTube Partnership Program. I'm telling you all this because I know that many of us, we find it difficult to get to this particular area. So once you are a content creator, if you are creating a content, make sure that content is interesting for people to watch. Make it interesting. Yes. So that people can be able to stay on that video at least for 1 hour. Let's say 1 hour is too much. At least stay on that video for 2 to 3 minutes. Once they stay on that video for 2 to 3 minutes or 4 minutes, if that video is about maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes and they stay there for 2 to 3 minutes or they stay there for 5 minutes, it's good for you. So I'm telling you all this because I want you to know when, how, where to begin. Don't just begin by doing anything. I was once like that. I began by doing anything and I found it difficult. I went through struggled along the line. So I'm telling you this to keep it on your guard, to know when and how and what to do at the right time. So these are the things I'm telling you. Keep it in mind, follow them up, and then post your video according to what I'm saying and listen to as you have listened to me. Post your video according to the steps I'm giving you. Always go to YouTube Studio to do your editing. Always create a niche. And don't forget, most importantly, to get an interesting topic. An interesting topic that will grab the minds, the eyes of your subscriber or people that are on YouTube that will make them to subscribe to your channel. Also, a good thumbnails. The thumbnail is also good in this particular content creation. If you are a content creator, you need a good thumbnail. After creating your thumbnail, after recording your video, find a good thumbnail that will match your video, that will attract people to click on your video to watch them, to know what you are saying. Because the thumbnail will be the one that will explain half of your video to the audience. Yes, I'm going to tell you this. The thumbnail will explain half of your video to the audience. It will make them to know what you are saying or what you are talking about or what you are doing. Then they will be able to click on your video to watch it and to know what you are always doing. So I'm going to say, stay to this key information I've given you as a new YouTuber, please. Stay to this key information. Even as a big YouTuber, there are some things you don't know. Everybody don't know all. Myself, I don't know all, but I'm talking based on my experience that I have. So I'm going to tell you this for sure. Thank you for staying tuned to this channel. Thank you for watching us. Thank you for your support. And I want to say I'm grateful. Thank you for all what you have done by liking my video, sharing my video, subscribing to my channel. Yes, subscribing to my channel. I want to say thank you. Click the notification bell to remind you whenever I drop a new video. I want to say thank you for that. And stay tuned to this channel. You are blessed.